Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 1 raised to power s is equal to 2. Solution. We have 1 raised to power s is equal to 2. Let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. That is, we have natural log of 1 raised to power s is equal to natural log of 2. Now take note of this, that if you have natural log of n raised to power m, this is equal to m natural log of n. This can be written as s natural log of 1 is equal to natural log of 2. Now here, but natural log of 1 is equal to 0. Then we have x multiplied by 0 is equal to natural log of 2. Now x multiplied by 0, this is 0, and a 0 cannot be equal to natural log of 2. At this point, we conclude that there is no real solution here. Solution. But since there is no real solution, we can generate a complex solution here. It has a complex solution using Euler's formula. By Euler's formula, we can find the value of x. That is, we have 1 raised to power s is equal to 2. Then Euler's formula says that we have E of I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, when theta is equal to 0, then here we have E of I0 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Now, at this point, cos 0 is equal to 1, sin 0 is equal to 0. Then here we have E of I0 is equal to cos 0, that is 1, plus I sin 0, that is 0. Then E of I0 is equal to, if you multiply I by 0, we have 0, we have 1 plus 0. E of I0 is equal to 1. And since E of I0 is equal to 1, then this is E of I theta is also equal to 1. Then now theta is equal to 2k pi, where k is a member of then we can now replace our theta by 2k pi. So this is E of I multiplied by 2 k pi is equal to 1. But 1 raised to power s is equal to 2. So anywhere you see 1 here, you put this here. Now this is here of I multiplied by 2k pi then to the power of x is equal to 2. And a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This is equal to a raised to power mn. This can be written as e of I multiplied by 2k pi multiplied by s is equal to 2. Let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have natural log of e of I multiplied by 2k pi multiplied by s is equal to natural log of 2. Then if you have ln of n to the power of m, this is equal to m ln of n. This can be written as I 2k pi x ln of e is equal to ln of 2. Then we have I 2k pi x ln of e is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to ln of 2. Then this is I 2k pi is equal to ln of 2. But we are looking for the value of x. There is x here. So let's divide this by I 2k pi. Then divide this by I 2k pi. This cancel this. S is equal to ln of 2 divided by I 2k pi. Then if you now rationalize this by multiply both numerator and denominator by I, multiply this by I, so x will be equal to I ln of 2 divided by I square 2k pi. But I square is equal to minus 1. S is equal to minus I ln of 2 divided by 2k pi, where k is a member of this, and then k is not equal to 0. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.